Sundskeittiö Mikko Salpa.
Yeah, today it's the 9th of September 2021. We have Laajametsänkuja. Skogsstigen 6 Stekisdi, and we have the last staircase in this residential building now to be filmed already now, finally. Of course it took too much time, but we did it now. All 6 out of 6 filmed. The first 3 staircases A, B and C have the MP6 fixtures from early 1971, while this one has the newly introduced ones from early 1971, MP8 fixtures. The staircases D, E and F, and all of them are filmed, so you can watch all of them in the tour. And it was turning 50 years old this year, 2021, as in numbers H25170. It will be inspected in 2023. As these 3 there's 2 grams. 6,000 fast. Let's try it. And you know what? This is even more rare because you know it's even faster, just 6 floors, and the newly introduced MP8 fixtures.
Yeah.
So it's even more rare. It's even more rare than just the fact that this was very early.
Yeah.
And then AP6 stop and alarm buttons. If not the most interesting residential building in Martinlaakso, but one of the most interesting ones here.
Yes.
So I couldn't sign and try.
Respektive bara kiva inspektera meidän eteenpäin Suomi hissurakointi.
Same thing.